Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to move picture in Microsoft Word. So let's begin. So first you just need to open on your Microsoft Word, and then you need to open any document. I just open blank document, and at first I need to insert a photo. So just go on insert and then select picture, then select this device, then go on this document. I just find out my picture. Okay, then I resize it, and then here you can see this is picture, and if I want to move this picture, I just select and then try to move, but it's not moving anywhere, it's just still. So how can I move this picture? So if you want to move this picture, just right click on here over this picture and then go work text and then select in front of text. Just select in front of text, and then you can see you can move anywhere you can move this picture. I just move on this middle. So guys, in this way you can move picture in Microsoft Word very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.